On the dining room table tonight is an old school Soundstream Reference 200S. This amp is rated at 100 watts at 4 ohms bridge and 200 watts at 2 ohms bridge in the high power mode. This power test will show what the Soundstream Reference 200S makes bridged at 4 ohms in the high power mode. At 40 Hz, she made 143 watts up to clipping at 14.38 volts DC. This power test will show what the Soundstream Reference 200S makes bridged at 2 ohms in the high power mode.
Dinner's done. Clean the table up.
Alright, give me a few more minutes. At 40 Hz, she made 182 watts up to clipping at 14.41 volts DC. Let's check out the guts of the Soundstream Reference 200S. Good old made in USA. She even has the Nichicon cap.